taking you behind the scenes on how we shot this stop motion video on an iPhone using the Life Lapse app, which is available to download on both iOS and Android devices. Before you get started, be sure to switch your phone's auto lock to never so it doesn't lock while you're capturing your photos. To start a new project, click the big blue plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Before you get started, make sure that you lock your exposure, white balance and focus so that these stay consistent when you're taking each of your photos. This stop motion is being shot in reverse, so we start with the final scene and remove an object at a time, taking a photo between each object removal. We shot this stop motion using natural light, as it was an overcast day where the light was staying consistent. This stop motion took 12 minutes to shoot and edit. It contains 83 photos. We used a Bluetooth remote to capture each photo, but there are several ways to take photos in the Life Lapse app. Once you have all of your photos, open the in-app editor and your photos and video are ready for editing. We increased the brightness, saturation and decreased the warmth. Via the timeline, we added a freeze effect to the final frame. We reversed the video and increased the speed of it. Once you've done any of the editing that you wish to do, you can save your video by clicking the download video button in the top corner. And here's a reminder of the final result.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click write a review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.